This is the last problem in section 8.3. So this is 8.3, part 5. The question reads, use a frequency distribution table to find the mean, the median, and the mode. All right, so let's do the mean first. The formula for that is x bar equals sigma x, which means to sum all my x values, all over the total number of x values. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. All right, the frequency, this is a frequency table. I have duplicates of things. So when I add this up, I'm going to take 12, which is frequency, times 20, plus, now the second one, I have 15 of the value of 44, plus, I have 10 at the value of 56, plus, I have 6 at the value of 58, plus, I have 11 at the value of 63. Okay, so that's step 1. Step 2, I need to find n. So I'm going to add up or find the total frequency. So I'm going to add these up. 12 plus 15 plus 10 plus 6 plus 11. So I'm adding up the frequencies. Okay, so let's see what that equals. 12 plus 15 plus 10 plus 6 plus 11. And when I add those up, I get 54. And I'm just going to quickly double check to make sure I typed in everything correctly into the calculator, and it looks good. So I'm going to divide this by 54. Okay, so my next step is going to be to figure out what these values are when I multiply them. All right, so 12 times 20, that gives me 240, plus 15 times 44, that gives me 660, plus 10 times 56 is 560, plus 6 times 58 equals 348, plus 11 times 63. And I got 693. So I'm just going to double check really quickly through the calculator to make sure I typed in things correctly. Okay, looks good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these up. Okay, so I'm going to take 240 plus 660 plus 560 plus 348 plus 693, and when I do that, I get 2501, or 2501. Okay, now I'm going to divide that by 54. And when I do that, I get 46.314. Again, I'm going to round to the hundreds place. I look behind the 1, it's a 4. That is smaller than 5, so I'm going to leave the 1 alone. So 46.31 is my answer for the mean. Okay, median. So I know that n, or the total frequency, is 54. So I'm going to take n, by the way, this is an even number. So I'm going to take n divided by 2. So 54 divided by 2 will give me 27. So I need the number in the 27th position, and because it's even, I also need the 28th position as well. So let's figure out what that is. So in the first tier, I have 12. And in the second tier, if I take 12 plus 15, I'm going to get a total of 27. So I'm just going to put a little note here. Okay, and 27 plus 10 will give me 37. So I need one value in this tier, because remember I need the 27th value, which is 44. Plus, I need the value in the next tier, because I need the 28th positional number, which is 56. Okay, so I'm going to take 44 plus 56, and I'm going to divide that by 2, because I need to find the mean of those two values. So 44 plus 56 gives me 100. and 100 divided by 2 is 50. So 50 would be my median value from this data. Okay, now finally mode. Alright, so mode is the most frequently occurring. So we got to look at the frequency table here and find out what occurs the most. So the value is 44 because it occurs 15 times, which is the highest one. So the mode is 15 with the x value of 44. Okay? Okay, what occurs the most, right? Alright, so guess what? We're done, yay, with 8.3. So that was 8.3 part 5. Good luck on your homework, and that's it.